Okay, y'all, highlighting another awesome car, and today we're here with
Tony Miller.
Tony Miller.
Transmission.
All right, good. Another business owner. Okay, I like this.
Yes,
So yeah, we tell us a little bit about the car, like the backstory, how long you had it, and where you get it from.
Yes, sir. I bought it from a man named Rusty Carpenter about 5 years ago. Completely redone the whole entire car. It's a 70 Maverick Grabber with a 540-inch alcohol injected. We inject M1 alcohol. Scott Camaro'S motor makes about 875 horsepower on the motor, and thing goes about 560s, 570s in bad air, and it makes us all happy. We have a ball. We just play. A lot of fun.
Yeah, I saw it earlier, and it's an awesome car for real, y'all. So,
yes, sir.
Now, who did all the work?
Me and my friend Scott Jackson and my manager Steve. I painted the car, and we all built the car together. So it's a big team effort there. It takes a lot of folks to make one birdie.
Yeah, y'all know we always talk about that on the channel. I like to highlight the team too.
Yes, sir.
Because it does. It takes a team to operate these things.
Yes, sir. It sure does. We have a ball. Good family
right.
practice. Yes, sir.
So what's your plans for today? Like what?
Today we're just making some test runs on the thing and checking it out and making sure everything still works well. Like I said, it's our toy. It's not a race car. It's a safe car. We just like to have a ball and go home safe.
I heard that.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
All right, and look, you said what's the name of your company? Cause I always like to
Transmission in Gastonia, North Carolina. I pick all the racers up. My stickers are on about half the cars around here. You know, we take care of everybody with transmission needs. That's for sure.
Okay, you want to drop your number below so they can call you if they need some work done?
Yes, sir. 704-867-2570. That's 704-867-2570. Miller Transmission.
All right, awesome car. Look, we're going to be checking back in with you throughout the day, and we look forward to seeing you run out there.
You sound like a winner. Thank you.
All right.
said